My name is Jason Byrd, and for more than 30 years, I've been developing a framework I call the Energetic Continuum of Space, a five-state model of matter that expands the way we think about the universe. Most people learn that matter exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas, but my research proposes five. Three internal states: solid, liquid, gas, and two external states: space as a diffuse energetic medium and plasma as the highest energy external state. In this model, space isn't empty. It's a low density, energetic form of matter that can stretch, compress, or transition under extreme conditions. And plasma isn't just ionized gas, it's an external energetic state capable of interacting with both matter and the structure of space itself. One part of this theory explores what happens when space is pushed to its limits. Instead of treating black holes as mathematical singularities, I model them as regions where space transitions into an internal matter state under extreme gravitational pressure. To formalize the idea, I describe every point in the universe using a five component state vector. Each component represents how much of that point is solid, liquid, gas, space, or plasma. All five always add up to one. This lets me treat space and plasma as real, quantifiable states, not empty background. If space is an energetic medium, it must have an energy density. So I define the characteristic energy of the space state, and the total energy at any point becomes the mathematical backbone of the energetic continuum. Now, what happens near a black hole? When the gravitational potential becomes extreme, the space state begins to collapse into an internal state. I model that transition with a smooth sigmoid. As gravity increases, the solid state fraction rises. Space transitions, the continuum shifts. The second part of my research focuses on plasma conduits in the ionosphere, natural channels energized by the sun. I describe plasma density with a simplified transport equation where D is diffusion, V is drift, S is solar ionization, and L is recombination loss. Plasma flows along field lines, forming guided channels. The energy flowing through a plasma conduit is how I mathematically describe these energy pathways. My life hasn't been simple. Along the path of developing this theory, I faced misunderstanding, stigma, and periods where my stability was taken from me. People misinterpreted my intentions and dismissed my work. The system used labels to criminalize me, monitoring me, and stealing my research and creativity. Times when I was pushed out of my home and placed in environments where I felt watched and misunderstood. These experiences were real and painful, but they did not stop me. I kept researching, I kept learning, I kept building this model because the questions mattered to me. I believe independent thinkers deserve a place in the scientific conversation. These experiences were part of my journey, a result of how my curiosity was misunderstood. The energetic continuum of space is more than a theory, it's a record of resilience, a reminder that ideas can survive even when life becomes difficult. No one should be devalued for being curious about the universe. Thank you for listening and for giving independent research a chance to be heard.